Hey everyone, today I will be explaining how an average person can make their first affiliate marketing sale in a few months. I'll explain a straightforward strategy for making money online in 2022. To make this work, follow my step-by-step directions. You must first understand what a VPN is and how to operate, which is simple and obvious. A VPN enables internet privacy. A VPN builds a secure encrypted tunnel for your data and conversations between your computer and the internet. Without a VPN, your electronic devices are not protected online. Anyone who views your IP addresses online can steal your data without a VPN. Due to this, VPNs are getting more and more well-liked. A VPN is not required for this method call, but it is necessary to earn money online. Step 1. Go to strongvpn.com to access a powerful VPN. With more than 2.2 thousand ratings, Trustpilot has a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. This VPN is reputable, the best VPN for privacy protection. The New York Times, PC World, and Tom's Guide have all featured this well-liked VPN. We'll now concentrate on the affiliate programs for powerful VPN. Under the Interact area, you'll find a section titled Affiliates if you go to the bottom of the page. If you click on it, a page explaining why we're partnering with them and why you should too appear, along with a link to the StrongVPN affiliate program. It's absurd that they're paying up to 200% commission there. I've never encountered a scheme that pays 200% commissions to affiliates, particularly in this area. Affiliate programs pay between 30 and 40%. They pay out 4 times as much with a strong VPN. You simply need 20 sales to make $800 in 24 hours through the affiliate program. Another advantage of promoting this program is the universality that it offers. It's well liked. All users of the internet require a VPN to protect themselves from hackers and intruders. We are not trying to sell pet owners specialty animal products. I'm certain that if you use VPN, you can start doing this right away and earn a ton of money in the following 24 hours. This will appeal to everyone who uses the internet. Step 2. The next step is to visit YouTube and look for well-liked videos in any category you can think of, including business, video games, spirituality, health, etc. This tactic will work with any widely viewed video. For example, if you search for vegan recipes in the fitness category, you will come across a video for healthy vegan weight loss dishes that have had over 5 million views. Look for a viral video in the industry you're in. Click, share, and then copy the URL after locating the video. Step 3. In order to complete Step 3, we must include a warning sign directing people to the robust VPN affiliate scheme. Bill Rope is needed to create this page. Pick one and sign up. If you already have an account, adhere to my detailed directions. You'll be directed to the Builder All dashboard after signing in, which will display your name. You will create a landing page right there. Therefore, select Builders, then Applications, and last, Sheet2 Website Builder. In the top right corner, select Create a new website. Professional or witty templates are available. It's great that the platform has so many templates available. Niche-specific pieces are located on the left. You may see fitness and health by scrolling down. You can find landing pages, legal sites, and a lot more. We need to select, and for example, if we select DR Marketing, click where it says Select, then click where it says Save once you found the one you want. Your page has been created. Next, select the Edit page. You can therefore customize and change it. You can create a straightforward page in no more than 5 minutes. We'll also be discussing a warning and a call to action. First, you need to get rid of unnecessary items and information. We only need the caption at the top of the video. Copy the video's title and return it to YouTube. It will be pasted onto our landing page. You can copy it using Command V, and you have the option of making the text larger. Bold it to draw attention to the source and end. Make sure to select General Settings and turn off autoplay before editing the page. You want viewers to click on the video at their own pace. You don't want the video to begin playing immediately. You must include a warning before you can begin using affiliate marketing to make money online. Here, magic happens. Click the spine after first choosing Save in the top right corner. To create a pop-up, click Home, Save, and then Leave. Create a new pop-up by selecting Pop-ups from the left-hand menu. The pop-up will bear your name. Then click Edit. Then on a fresh page, click Add. To make a pop-up stand out, you need to add a large caution sign to the text. To make the warning sign more noticeable, you will have to increase its size. Alter the background of the panel. Click Solid Color under Background Settings on the right. Visitors can click on your link. Next, you will click on the element to put text underneath it. You need to select text size and then type in the possibility of information theft by hackers. You change the text color to any color of your liking. Then I'll advise you to turn on a VPN to stay secure online. You can add a call to action and a warning headline that explains why information theft can occur. Then you have to add a link to the Strong VPN website. You can start earning affiliate commissions. You will find a button. You can choose any bond from the button which is available. Edit it. Click the drop-down menu directly below the headline to modify. Register now to sign up. You can also change colors by clicking on General Colors. When a customer visits your page, a pop-up will appear. You must add your affiliate link to the bond in order to receive payment when people click on the pop-up and are directed to the secure VPN website. Now let's talk about the VPN affiliate program. You can copy your link and paste it over the white if you have signed up for their affiliate program. Enter your username, first and last name, and PayPal email if you haven't previously, and then click Sign Up. Right, as a result, you would copy it and go back to the pop-up. To add your URL, click the Set Link. After clicking Sign Up, the customer will be directed to this affiliate link. You can choose to open it in a new tab or an existing one. When you click the designated area, the pop-up will close. On the right, click Save. Your pop-up is immediately stored. To enable you to monetize the pop-up, I'll explain how to link it to your original landing page. You need to choose Settings and attach your pop-up there. You will see there is a pop-up Sense. Both desktop and mobile users will be confused by the pop-up. Then it will ask you what kind of pop-up you want. You can choose a time-based exit or a scroll-based pop-up. But I prefer to leave it as time-based for both the mobile and desktop versions. Go to whichever pop-up you generate and click on it. Keep the overlay turned off and the size on auto. When you visit the website by clicking the 3 dots, the link will generate a pop-up if you share it. Pop-up alerts you that information may be stolen by hackers. To stay protected, use the VPN right away. When people see this, they will click where it says Sign Up, and it will take them back to a Strong VPN rather than the affiliates. The page will launch the home page of your affiliate. If they sign up by clicking here, you'll get paid. Keep in mind that 20 people earn $100 or more with this affiliate program in 24 hours. Know of their level of experience, every internet user needs a VPN to protect themselves from hackers. Making a sale online is simple. Step 4. Now comes the most important and concluding part. Here you will require traffic to your page. Having said that, let's move to the platform, reddit.com. I'm sure most of you are familiar with it, but I haven't highlighted this traffic strategy. This is not valued enough. This website is profitable. There are billions of users each month. Therefore, enter the category your video is in here to find a subreddit. Share the URL of your landing page. The specific build rule landing page must be shared. Next is the remark. Simply state that you have a video to share to avoid sounding spammy or like you're trying to sell anything. That's all. By promoting a free video, you are merely acting as an honest community member. Leave out the VPN and avoid sounding pushy. They might have typed in a YouTube video themselves and watched it for free instead of being sent to a Strong VPN. People will say, "Cool, let me watch this video," once they visit our page. When they click it again, a Strong VPN will be opened where you can earn commissions as affiliates, warning them that they are not secured online. People who want to be safe online and prevent information leakage will purchase it. They do not want infected computers with viruses. They'll likely purchase a VPN. Also available to you is their Discord. You can join theirs if you use Discord. Act professionally and promote your landing page, video, and VPN link to make money online. I'm confident that many of you will be content even if you only create 10 sales. Every month you can earn $300, $400, or $800 if you adhere to the instructions that I have explained. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope this was helpful. Please support us by sharing this video. We hope to see you guys soon. Till then, take care.